What's up, you guys? How you doing, YouTubers? It's me, Godzilla Jason 83. Doing another toy box unveiling. I don't know if you've seen this one yet. Maybe you have. It's Jason Part 6. He lives. Figure. Really good by NECA. Got it from GameStop for $30. I've seen it fly around for $60 and $70 on eBay and Amazon. So, yeah. I'm not gonna pay that much. I floated around. As a matter of fact, I also saw it at Target for about 35 to 40 before they closed. Yeah, I still didn't buy it then. But I got a 30 from GameStop and I had a $5 coupon card. You know, they'll make you, basically that's taxes off, so that's cool. Alright, so let's check it out. Check it out. Alright, so his face and his mask comes with a machete. Little story in the back, we already know all that good stuff. So, it says Jason, so that way nobody gets confused. Alright. And, oh my gosh. This is actually the first one I opened. I have a bunch of these. I have never opened this one, so this is exciting. A little scary. Check that out. Man. Very, very beautiful specimen. Very beautiful. Check out his face. There's blood on his knees. I don't know why he's got blood on his knees. I don't know what he's been doing. And that mask. Alright, here we go. Try to take Homeboy out without any casualties. Please bear with me on my stance. I've actually been wanting to get this one for about 1.5 years. The first wave sold out just about almost everywhere. And then I saw like pre-orders, and then I hesitated, but I will share the other ones that I got in time. Of course, after I buy another one that I can open, because I'm not going to be opening those. Look at that. So that is about 6 inches tall, maybe 7. 6.5, 5, or something like that. So head turns right, leans back. What's up, baby? Alright. So now let's put the pies resistas encima. That's the mask. Oh my gosh! Alright. Okay. So check that out. His masks also come the same way they would as a normal mask, 3 pieces. I'm not too fond of his eyes being dark though, really. It's plastic, so they just put the plastic on the back, on the whole thing basically, and it does not allow his actual eyes to show through, as to some of the other ones where it does. So, there you go. Man, that is incredible. That is very incredible. Dang, that fence is freaking long. Look at how long that fence is. Golly. I'm not going to use it. So let's do this here. I'm more interested in his knife. About 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, I know. My math is terrible. This bag going goes right in. Check that out. Nice. So this hand opens up for the machete. Okay. Hardly. So that's pretty cool. So it has to come out. Oh. Give me a sec. There we go. And now you see how little that hole is right there? I don't know if you can see it. This nub has to fit all the way in there. You are kidding me. Oh, whatever. There we go. So, I'm cool with that. Viva gorditas. So there we go. It's pretty good. I'm cool with it. See this one here. Dang, man, all up in his torso. He definitely, he's got to be a monster and not feel that, because that truck looks like it would bother the heck out of me. Anyway, there we go. And here we go. Okay, there we go. All right, guys. There's your little checkout review on what the heck. There we go. Good look at this guy's face right here. Nice. He does look like a walking dead zombie. He's got blood on his anus. What the crap? He must have fell down. Alright, there we go, guys. Thank you very much. Like, share, or dislike, comment. You can tell me I suck. That's okay. I don't mind. Alright. Thank you very much. And have a great day. I will bring something else to share. Alright, thanks.